Do you want to secure your Tutor LMS powered e-learning site? You need the help of your hosting security tools and the Tutor LMS safety features. We will show you how to use those hosting tools and Tutor LMS features to secure your e-learning site. Let's start. So what are the security measures we are talking about? Well, for the server side, it depends on the hosting service you're using. In this video for our demonstration, we are using Rapyd Cloud, a managed WordPress hosting provider. Rapyd Cloud offers a specialized LMS hosting service. It has several highly scalable plans that you can choose from. We will discuss these plans later in the video. But without further ado, let's explore the Rapyd Cloud security features. Now we have logged into our Rapyd Cloud admin dashboard. From here, we're going to click on Settings and click on Security. Here we can see there are two systems, the Monarchs and Patch Stack. These two play a vital role in protecting your LMS site. Monarchs is an advanced anti-malware proactively and automatically protecting your website from new infections in real time. And here it also says your site is proactively and automatically protected from new malware. Also, we can see Patch Stack is running and it is automatically deploying highly targeted protection rules for all high and medium priority vulnerabilities without any changes to your code or site performance. It also gives us a report over here. It says 59 threats blocked in the last 30 days. You don't have to manually enable these. These are automatically available through Rapyd Cloud hosting. Now, if we click on Open Monarchs, we can get further details. Here we can see that our site is free of malware, and if we suspect that our site has been hacked or infected, we can take some steps, such as we can remediate on-disk malware, clean all database injections, purge malicious database users, restore core application files, remove malicious artifacts, and clear website cache. Now, if we open up Patch Stack, we can see some reports over here. Patch Stack is fully integrated with Rapyd Cloud and requires no major configuration from the site admin. The Patch Stack WordPress plugin is automatically installed and activated on your WordPress site on Rapyd. You can review your site's protection status on the Patch Stack dashboard in Rapyd Cloud. On top of that, they also offer a web application firewall, advanced DDoS protection, plus malware and bot protection. The best thing is that you don't even have to turn on these features manually, as they are already built into the Rapyd Cloud hosting. Now let's discuss the Tutor LMS security features that can strengthen your e-learning site's security. Please note that to utilize these Tutor LMS security protections, you'll need Tutor LMS Pro. We will provide a Tutor LMS Pro link in the video description for you to check out. To demonstrate, in this guide we have created a Tutor LMS based e-learning site on Rapyd Cloud. Here's the site with some demo courses and content. Now let's visit our LMS site's WordPress dashboard to find out the Tutor LMS security features. Now this is our WordPress admin dashboard of our Tutor LMS website. To find the security features, we are going to hover our mouse over Tutor LMS Pro and then click on Settings. Then we are going to click on this authentication option. Here we can see there are 4 authentication methods: the two-factor authentication, fraud protection, manage active login sessions, and email verification. We will start with the two-factor authentication, or 2FA in short. Now the way this works is you need two things. One, you need the credentials of your website. Two is the code that will be sent to your email. Now, if we enable this feature, we can see there's the method over here. Currently, we have the email option. So when you enter your credentials to your WordPress admin login, a code will be sent to your email. You have to insert the code that's sent to your email in order to access to your site. Now, this is the two-factor authentication. You can also choose where you want to apply your two-factor authentication. You can add it to your Tutor login, WP login, or both Tutor and WP login. For maximum safety and security, you can choose the Tutor and WP login. We have a tutorial on how you can enable or use the two-factor authentication on your Tutor LMS site. We will put the link of that tutorial in the video description so you can learn more. The next feature is the fraud protection. If we enable this, we can choose our fraud protection method. We can choose the honeypot, or we can choose Google reCAPTCHA version 2 or Google reCAPTCHA version 3. If you choose Google reCAPTCHA version 2 or Google reCAPTCHA version 3, you have to enter the site key and secret key in order to fully enable this. You need to get the site key and secret key from the reCAPTCHA dashboard. Again, you can also choose the location where you want to enable the fraud protection. The next feature is the limit active login sessions. With this enabled, you can manage the active login sessions, which is likely to improve your performance and security. So if we enable this, you can choose the maximum active sessions. So by default, it will be set to 1. This will control at how many places or sessions or browsers a user can stay logged in. Depending on your requirements, you can increase this number or even decrease this number. Okay? Finally, there's the email verification. If we enable this, when students or instructors are registering to your site, they need to be verified through email. Now, this is a standard protocol on many websites. You can have this enabled for better security and protection. Now, as promised, let's see how much Rapyd Cloud costs. Let's take a look at the Rapyd Cloud pricing page so that you get an idea. We can see there are 3 plans over here. If we click on this arrow, there's also another plan over here. So the first plan is the Lite plan. It's available for $26 a month. You can also find a slider over here. If we slide it up, this will be moved to the developer plan, which is now $44 a month. Now, this gives you extra resources. You still get 200,000 estimated visits, but this time you get 50 GB SSD storage and 100 GB offsite backup storage. Now, if we move on to the most popular plan, which is the startup plan, it's available for $89 a month. This gives you more resources than the developer plan, and it also gives you more features. The next plan is the performance plan, which is $269 a month. This also gives you a lot more resources and features. You can also see there's a slider over here, so you can pick the plan which is more suitable. Finally, there's the enterprise plan. You can get in touch with Rapyd Cloud and discuss what features and resources you need, and then you can get a custom price for this plan. We will provide the Rapyd Cloud link in the video description. You can explore and get your desired Rapyd Cloud plan from there. Use the promo code WPGIZ to get up to 25% off on all annual plans and 10% off on monthly subscriptions. Offer valid for 2 subscriptions only. Let's take a look at Tutor LMS pricing as well. Tutor LMS has 2 types of plans, the annual and lifetime. The annual plan, here you will be billed yearly or once every year. There are 3 plans, the individual, business, and agency. If you want, you can also get the lifetime plans. Now here, you don't have to pay any annual or yearly fee. You have to pay only once and the plugin is yours. Now, in terms of site usage, everything is same except for the agency plan. The agency plan now offers up to 50 site licenses instead of the unlimited site licenses that you saw on the annual plan. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope that it was helpful for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.